Well, in just a few hours, opening statements are expected to begin today in a highly anticipated trial here in North Texas. Former FedEx driver Tanner Horner is accused of killing 7-year-old Athena Strand back in 2022. And this case has captured nationwide attention as police searched for her killer years ago in Wise County. Today, Horner will go before a jury in Fort Worth. That's where we find our Trevor Sohaki this morning. He's live outside the courthouse. And Trevor, Horner is actually facing a potential death sentence if he's found guilty.
That's right, Carmen. The Wise County District Attorney has previously said he would seek the death penalty in this case. Now, Horner has pled not guilty to both the capital murder as well as the aggravated kidnapping charges, and his defense team is expected to try to use his autism to avoid that death penalty sentence. Now, prosecutors say that Tanner Horner abducted and killed Athena Strand after making a FedEx delivery at her home in Paradise, Texas back in 2022. After Horner was arrested, he told investigators he hit Strand with his truck as he backed out of the driveway. She wasn't seriously injured, but he panicked and took her into his truck because he was worried she would tell her father what happened. An arrest affidavit says Horner strangled Strand, her body found 9 miles away from her home. Strand's mother told us after Horner's arrest that the delivery he was making to the home when Strand was abducted was Barbie dolls that were supposed to be Christmas gifts for her daughter. The case was moved from Wise County to Tarrant County because the defense argued it would be difficult to find an impartial jury in Wise County, given how publicized the case has been. A legal expert tells CBS News Texas the young age and vulnerability of the victim brought a huge amount of attention to the case. Former U.S. Attorney Paul Coggins says while jury selection is important, one of the biggest factors today will be whether a reported confession is allowed. If so, the case may ultimately come down to sentencing.
You will get into where the defense is really focusing its efforts, and that's on the sentencing phases, and arguing that because of his autism, he falls within that line of cases that deal with intellectually disabled, intellectually challenged individuals. And sometimes the courts have found that they are so intellectually disabled that they cannot be executed.
Now, opening statements in today's trial are expected to begin at 9 a.m. We will have a reporter inside the courtroom all week long, and we'll bring you the very latest, both on air and at cbstexas.com. Live in Fort Worth, Trevor Sohaki, CBS News Texas.
Trevor, thank you for the latest. Well, Athena Strand's death led to the creation of the Athena Alert. The state legislature passed a bill in her name back in 2023. It's a regional emergency alert system for missing children designed to bypass the strict criteria of traditional Amber Alerts. It also allows local law enforcement to issue immediate alerts within a 100-mile radius when a child is missing or in danger, even if abduction is not yet confirmed. Oh, we will, of course, cover every single step of the trial for Tanner Horner from start to finish. You can find our continuing coverage streaming online at cbsnewstexas.com and also on the CBS Texas YouTube page.